maybe you have a system in your facility that's not performing as it should. So do you fix it, do you upgrade it, or do you replace it? That's a very good question. I would say factor number one comes down to sizing. If your process has changed, you have more pickups than you originally did when the system was designed, we need to look at your existing dust collector and fan and see if it has the capacity. Is it big enough to support your current needs? If not, it's going to be very difficult to reuse that system. You are looking at most likely at replacing it with a system with higher capacity, larger fan, so forth. In some cases, it's possible to expand the filter area of a baghouse by putting pleated filters in. You get more filter square footage. So you really need an experienced customer to come and help you with that decision. That's something that we look at often. Pleated filter upgrades are fairly common. There's some application differences that will tell us if it can be done or if it can't. But really it comes down to system sizing. Like just as if we were going to design a brand new system, we're going to look at how many pickup points you have, the dust type, the expected dust loading, the size of those pickup points, so that we can size the dust collector, we can size the fan, and we can size and design the duct layout. Same thing happens if you have an existing system. We look at all that and say, can we use the current equipment and just redesign it, rebalance the ductwork, something? If not, then we're looking at a replacement or some kind of an upgrade.